Hi, I'm Wesley, new on YouTube, our new YouTube channel, The Crazy Fam. I'm starring with Lauren, my big sister, Sadie, my little sister, Trenton, my big brother, who will sadly not be in this video. Now, Lauren, come up here. Say hi. Sadie, come up here. This is my little sister, Sadie, with our pet bird, Sunny. Sadie, say hi, and then remember.
Hello. I said hello.
Yeah.
No. This is Sunny, my green cheek pineapple guardian.
Yes, and
Very
now this is what you do when you want to tame a bird. You find it on a log, and you're like, oh, I want this bird. You see if it'll pet it, and now you see if it'll let you pick it up, and then you take it to the vet, which we've already done. Yes, and then you go ask your parents if you can have it. They say,
Can I have it?
yes. And then you have to put up posters and ask everyone in the neighborhood.
Is this your bird?
Yeah.
Is this your bird?
No. Then it is yours. Just give it a name, Sunny, and a tag, and then you'll never lose it again. And that is how you tame a bird.
Tame a bird. Thanks. Bye.